These are Medellin clouds. You can only find them here. Guys, I got my wisdom teeth taken out today. I'm literally dying. Update on my wisdom teeth. This is what I look like. Today is Christmas Eve, so it's literally party day here. And I can't do anything. My dad and the peeps. I'm so awkward. I'm gonna go get her lashes done because I still need to slay tonight. I'm back home, got my lashes done. They look so good. This wisdom teeth thing was just not it. It hurts a lot more than I thought it would, you know what I mean? And it goes a little something like this is like my favorite place I've ever been to. This is La Piedra del Peñol. I love it here. My cheeks are still pretty. Oh my god, you see this right here? They're still pretty swollen. Oh my god, they're really swollen. Here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it.
It's really hot here, but we're okay.
Piedra del Peñol, which is rock in English. And we're going up. There's 700 steps, and it's my favorite place ever because of the view. And you guys will see why. So before we go up the rock, we're eating, obviously. I have to drink soup. That looks so amazing. Look at that avocado. Yeah, the avocado. I can eat that, right? Por aquí, con una vista. Lo más espectacular. Step number 1, let's get it. Hi. Be careful. You almost fell? Yes. You're lying. You almost fell?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's funny. Oh my god, we're still so high. Okay, we just finished. We went up and down.
This couldn't happen. Se ve muy
feo, ¿verdad?
No, se ve
bonito. ¿Serio?
Look at the little ring I just got. Look, we just got some cute little matching rings. Sorry, yours means protection.
No, this means
protection. Protection.
No,
Yeah, it is.
No.
Mine is expressing yourself libremente, like expressing yourself freely. And that's what I need in my life, so that's why I got this one.
Acá no teníamos tranquilidad, acá no teníamos un suspiro, acá no podíamos a veces ni ir a estudiar, ni los papás ir a trabajar por tanto conflicto armado que había acá.
how I see it because it looks like the sea. How do you say passion fruit in English? Oh, passion fruit. Okay, we might not go out tonight. Yeah, I kind of feel that vibe already. This is michelada. So michelada is like a beer drink here with lime. They do it even extra. They put passion fruit or any like thing that you want to ask for.
La Juli con esa cámara Canon. Bueno, tú estás claro, ya lo veo. Que suena en el video, te deseo un espectacular paseo.
Salud. Hola. Say hi. Diga hello. Hi. Hello. How was your day?
Ay, no, ya no.
How was your day? ¿Cómo fue tu día hoy? No, en inglés. It was very good.
Ah, no, mi.
Diga, it was very good. Ah, Gloria. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Bien o mal?
Bien, contenta con mis sobrinas.
Yeah, you can try it. Okay, so today I'm doing something so scary. Kind of like skydiving, but not off like the airplane.
En el aire, listo. Tenemos
Entonces
video.
por acá y por acá y esto.
Esa también. Atrás, atrás, atrás.
¿Va a hacer una foto? No, es un video. Ya. I'm with my friend Valentina. We just literally met right now.
I hit her up. I hit and slid into her DMs.
Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, let's go out for drinks. Okay. We're too tall? No,
Yeah,
I think we're fine. There's a roller coaster in the mall. Like, we have to go on it. Okay. I don't know how this works. Let's just go in this one. Gracias. I basically have 3 more days here and I'm sad. I don't want to go back home, but whatever. Guys, I'm here again with Valentina. Hola! Turn the camera off. I need to tell you.
Anhelo de sentirte cerca de mí.
Hola.
Hoy es un día muy especial. Estamos festejando, anticipándole cumpleaños a la mona, que ya es un día de partida, mañana es un día de partida si Dios quiere.
Ay, Richard. Ay, Don Frey. Hola, Sol.
Hola, la mona. Sí, sí. Diga pues mona. Estamos festejando el cumpleaños de la mona.
El último día acá, ¿cómo no me lo va a gozar, cierto?
Se lo tiene que gozar hasta lo más.
Vamos a hacer ejercicio, pues.
Digamos que sí. Para.
Hola.
Para.
Hola.